Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna walk through about Indian visa application process using the official Indian visa Su-swagatam app. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, this app has been extended to the people of 60 countries. Okay, we all will see that. But what I have done here is that I have gone into my app store and I have searched for this Indian visa Suswagatam. I have already installed. Now I'm going to open the app. So the very first thing is to select the language you want to proceed. There are so many options here. I selected English. Now it's giving you the information that get your visa on the app, and this is your e-visa. And with this, the benefit is you can travel to India paperless. Like you don't need to carry an ETA. You can just carry your QR code that's gonna be scanned, and then you're gonna get your visa. Okay, so let's go ahead. Terms, condition, policies. So the very first thing is to create an account here. So if you don't have an account, click on sign up. So you need to select your information: passport number, date of birth, gender, name, email ID, phone, password, and you're gonna click on sign on. So I'm gonna do this, then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, so what happens there is like you fill all the details, then it sends a one-time password to your email account, and that time password you have to enter, and then your registration gets completed. And once it does that, it comes to this login page, where it asks you to log in. So I'm gonna log in, and then we are gonna see. So this is the home page after you log in. So you have the link of apply for visa EFFRO service, check status, and they have given other services like FAQ, useful link, explore India, eligibility, tourist places, government agencies, entertainment, health, religious, and other information. They have one tab for visa assistant too. Okay, automated chat where you can write the messages and you can get. They have the information for contact us too, for everything. Yeah, e-visa, regular visa, FRRO office. So if you go for my QR code, this is what those details are like that you see are not correct. Don't worry about it. Eligibility and fee calculator, other things. Okay, fine. Let's go click on apply for a visa. So this is just a sample, guys. So regular visa, e-visa. If you select e-visa, okay, which kind of visa you need? Then okay, they have given the fee detail purpose, let's say tourism. Describe your purpose and nature of tourism. I'm just saying tourism, to visit. Of course, in your case, provide full details. Go on next. passport type, date of birth. Do it as per your own case, guys. I'm just putting sample. Date of arrival, port of arrival. Up. Should be within 30 days. Okay, fine. So I'll go for 15. Okay, so from here we can go for the full application. So I'm just going to go through this is just a sample, guys. Okay, certainly. Of course I won't be submitting the application, but the good thing is, like, everything is going to be done online and you're going to get the QR code at the end once approved, so it's too good. Change gender, town, city of birth, let's say this is just sample, guys. You need to do as per your case. Passport number, I know I'm putting sample values, but do it as per your own case. Present address, permanent we can make. So if you remember, Indian online visa, I mean e-visa that I made in a different video, everything is looking same, but yeah, interfaces are different. Don't laugh on the values I am entering. Other details, whether your grandfather, marital details, what's that? I select unmarried. If you put the married information, they are going to ask the details of spouse too. Other project prior to the present occupation, employer, I'm just putting sample, guys. Test, don't do like this. Where your military service mentor, no. Places to be visited, I said Delhi, Agra. Have you booked any room, hotel? Expected port of exit, I again select Delhi. Next. Have you visited before? I select no. Has permission to visit or extend stay in India be refused? I select no. Have you visited any country in last 10 years? I check no. Sark no. Do it as per your own case, guys. Now reference name is coming, and next is gonna be like your criminality security questions, and then photo and passport upload. So of course I'm not gonna do that, because after that you have to pay the fee, but you got an idea how to do this. And the good thing is you can get a QR code at the end that you can use when you travel to India. So that's an excellent thing, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.